Hello YouTube, this is Karan Rajput. Today I am here to teach you guys how to create a login form in PHP. So let's have a start. For the PHP, for creating a PHP login form, you need a one server, a local machine server. I have a XAMPP server. Okay. In this I will use Apache and MySQL for database, and one editor, that is Notepad plus plus. And I already saved the two files, one with the login.php, it will contain our login form, and the dv.cong .php, it will contain the database connectivity of login page. So let's have a start. First of all, I'm going to create a login form in the HTML. So HTML head and title, let's give it a title name is welcome, and close the title page. Okay, now close the head tag, body section, bg color is equal to green. Okay, now close. In the next section, let's have a start the form tag. Okay, under the form tag we use the method. There's two types of the method that we used in the to sending the data from one page to another page, that are post and get method. I'm using the post method in this tutorial. And action, where we have to send the data, that is dv underscore cong php, and this is our file where we going to send the form data. And let's have a close the form tag. Under the form tag, I'm going to create a table tag with the border is equal to border is equal to 1 pixel. Okay, let's have a close also the table tag. Okay, now the tr for row and td for data cell. First of all is username, then close the td, and then next start the td again, and input tag type is equal to text, and give it some name. Now I'm going to give it name uname for the username, and close the td tag, then close the tr tag also. After that, again start the tr tag. This time I'm going to create the password field. Password, close td tag, and then again start the td tag. Input tag, now input type is equal to password. Okay, now also give it some name, that I'm going to give it a name pass, and close the td tag, again tr tag, and in the last section start the tr tag. This time I'm going to create a submit button, that will when a user click on the submit button, and the post method will send the data whatever in the user field and password field on the next page. Okay, so let's have a create the submit button. Input type is equal to is equal to submit, and value of this is the value that will appear on the button, submit button, that is login. Okay, now close the all tags. First of all td tag and then tr tag. Okay, here is our form is ready. Let's have execute this form. uh, Open the browser, localhost, localhost, and what the hell, Thing is not going. Oh shit. My browser is hang on. Let me pause it. Hello, sorry for interrupt. My browser will be hang on some, and now I restart the browser, and here's the output of our form. Um, we have a one username and then text name. Sorry, input text type, and then another one is password. Password type is password, and last one is submit button. And here you can see the output is username, text field, and password field, login, uh, submit button. The value of the submit button is login. So here is the login button. So now the next one is our PHP admin. I'm going to create a database there, localhost / PHP my admin. Okay. Okay, let's have a create a one database with the database AD login. Okay, AD login. Yeah, it is a database and create one table with student. Okay, student login. No, AD logins same as like database and two fields. Then next. Okay, first one is uname, then varchar, varchar, then give it the length to 25, the maximum, and also the no, I cannot use the rest of them. Second one is pass and varchar, and password length is 15. Okay, I'll save it. Okay, here is our table. Now insert the value in it. First one is Karan, second is Rajput. Okay, now let's go on the second part for data configuration. In this file I will work on the PHP. I will create a connectivity with the database, MySQL database. First of all, connect with the database localhost, and for that we use the if function, that is MySQL connect, and then localhost. This is the name of our local machine, and the localhost, and then root. This is the by default password of the MySQL. The password, root is the username of the MySQL, and the password field is that I have not created the password in the MySQL. So I left this password. Don't use the space between these two points. Okay, do two post office. Okay, space is also a value, so don't put the space between this. And or die function, if this if the any kind of error occur here, then this die function will run. Okay, the die function is MySQL error. This is by default function that is in MySQL, PHP. So okay, next one is connect with the database MySQL. Let's go select, then DB. Our DB name is AD login. Okay, again die function. If our database is not exist or any some kind of a problem occur, then MySQL will generate a error. Okay, so next one is create a variable that is string is equal to. Now select start from in our database name, table name, login, and where clause. This is the query that we write in this file. This query will get the value from the database. Select start from table name, that is db login, ad login, and where. Okay, where before